DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's a boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another edition. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people, you don't know, say, I buy my passport last video, and I'm in Trinidad. I'm still there. Still there, Trinidad, up on a vacation. You see me and say, and today, with the Trinidad music, we got Kman 6ixx. So now we'll vibe much longer, I jump right in the track. Yeah, man. Kman 6ixx. The one that name Mafia. That's why we'll vibe much longer. Let's get it, man.
So when you see me, man.
Records. 6 rise.
How the black cat I go on this, so it just short after him, man. So how happened? How you do?
Yours truly, Fresh D Creator.
So when you see me, man.
6 rise. Hey.
6 rise. So usually listening on demon time when you hear that.
I just war again, got the rifle bigger than all of them. Well, I never one piece, got the god I beg. Both 7 lucky plays that now happen. Everyone of us all forget. Story been told, so we spawn me kid. Hey, shoot boy, we not talkative. Try this.
Wait, did I hear the song already? Did I hear the audio? You just dropped the video? Did I hear the audio of this before? That did sound familiar as hell, but I know I haven't seen the video. It's crazy.
Dog in the lip, try this 6 that one. One, you could not run. Right, gun, another one gone. Fight, problem, I forget a big wave and we call that tidal. He's a murder.
Bomba! Hey, the man be having some crazy flow. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Come on.
Up here, I gonna make it like never before. For the body shoot, time me kill, I get to reward. And I see the amount of body where we left on the floor. Reprisal. Please get spooky, you know we arrival.
Yeah, man, we definitely reacted to the audio to this shit. Yeah, man, before I see the video dope though. Come on.
Them pussy with dark and we idle. Killer jump out and every man lie down, yeah. Well, my whole team because and anybody show
me, no man, flow, man, that's a chop on the rhythm, bro. You see me, it's a vibe, man.
7 get a biggest, we lunatic, you know the 6 men send the boys. We are gonna give them everything because they made to be first made. Me get a big stick for work and everybody over this, so that's fit for dead. The mount the rifle open up at that shift.
I said, I get it because they mention we first. You see me, and say, boom. Everybody over there, so that's fit to get it. It's a vibe, come on.
Over this, so that's fit for dead. The mount the rifle open up at that shift, dude.
Mount the rifle open up at that shift, the earth. That knock the earth off our axis, brother.
No presidential clip, bro, yeah.
Man said, no presidential clip, boy, yeah. Oh, wait, I hope I'm going to walk on this dog over here, so.
No presidential clip, bro, yeah. Pussy. Step on them. Ball be rise, the Celtic mash them head. Boy full of tough.
Hey, come on. Yo, this sounds bad. It's just the whole flow. Just like the adrenaline, you know what I'm saying? Just keep that.
Ball be rise, the Celtic mash them head. Boy full of tough chat, no man can't left bed. Pre-dark the way I turn red. One move, one next dead up. One mount about the way left.
Pre-dark the way I turn red, nigga. You know what I'm saying? One move, one next dead up. This shit so hey,
one move and next dead up. One mount about the way left, the most fed up. Boy try run and dive, you get bent up. 6 rise hell up, couldn't try friend us. When the man got us, here's some man. Like never
bad bomba tune. You see me, I'm saying, man, this going crazy, bro. No cap. Hold on. The whole flow on this shit is just like crazy, you know? The whole run on type shit. I like when niggas just like go crazy on songs like this, just run on lyrics after lyrics, flow after flow. Just keep going. I love that shit, bro. Some of my favorite tracks.
Fit the body shoot and make it look at the reward. You know, set them out the body when we left on the floor. Reprisal. Please get spooky, you know we arrival. Go feel them pussy with dark and we idle.
Hey, easy the one coming.
Dark and we idle. Killer jump out and every man lie down, yeah. Yo, West Bank, 1 law, fully 6. Don't know we stay. Yo, killer, 6 done.
I do them thing, man. I want ya, man. Class, step, step on them, bell be rising, you know, we don't bust them head. Instead of,
You know we lucky island.
Man, never blow up everything. They man, they not left nothing. Easy. Easy, Kman, West Bank. Yeah, man, and them man a link up, you know, man. It's always a movie, you know, man. Yeah, man, me rate the one the gang. What do you think about the one there? Man, them a do them thing, man. Man, I go on good, man. Yeah, man, people, like I said, I heard the audio of that one. Never saw the video. Yeah, we do have a reaction of the audio. We do have a reaction of the audio on our channel. Yeah, man. So when I saw Mafia, I'm thinking like, you know, it's a whole different song because I've never seen the video before. So I'm like, oh, new track. But we already reacted to the audio. But yeah, man, we should yeah, I should have been reacting to the actual video. So yeah, I needed to react to the video anyway. So yeah, man, that's a good surprise. That's a good surprise. Yeah, man, gang. So let me know one thing about the one in the comment section. Go ahead and drop the comments. Let me know what your favorite part, beat, lyrics, melody, video, all that good stuff. Let me know if you rock with Kman. Let me know if you watch your 6, 7, 8. Who's your favorite artist and out of what camp? You see me drop it in the comment section, man. But our Trinidad artist is very talented and they're doing their thing, man. It's really dope to see. You see me? And yeah, it's a good look, man. I like Trinidad artists and bad, they just seem to keep more consistent, drop more music, more videos. And it's, you know, and everything gonna grow, man. That's it, man, because I rock with Trinidad music. You know what I mean, gang? So, yeah, man, looking out for more from them. Keep it coming. Like I said, Kman 6ixx, one of the best. We also reacted to Plumpy Boss, one of the best in Trinidad, man. They just need to keep doing their thing, keep going and growing. You know what I'm saying? Sky's the limit. Yeah, man, but drop in the comments let me know the favorite part about this one. What was your favorite part about this one? Beat, lyrics, melody, video. Who's your favorite artist in Trinidad? Suggest some new artists, some new beats. Let me say, suggest some new artists and some new songs to react to, gang. Come on, drop the suggestions, man. Drop them. You're gonna get your shout out for sure, for sure. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. I don't know, gang. Till next time. It's your boy Jambisco. I was here and I hit and smash and bang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.